Hello, good day everyone. This is the Vixen SXD wherein I converted the initial motors um, from a servo DC motor to a stepper motor so that I can use this for on step. This is an update from my previous Celestron CG5. When I bought this, it says it's a second-hand item, but upon looking at this, it doesn't even look like a second-hand item. It's more like an old new stock. However, when I bought this didn't have the Starbook, which would control the motors. So my plan was to convert this instead to on step. Usually when converting a mount to on step, we change the motors and use a belt drive to drive the worm gear. However, upon opening this Vixen SXD, I noticed that it may be dead, especially with the cover. I don't have the cover here right now. I already opened this, so I plan to use the old gears, and I have discovered that upon opening the sorry, I'll just put this upon opening the original motor. This is the original motor of the Vixen SXD. Upon opening this, I'll open this. Have to screw out the bracket. One more thing, the reason why it's not easy to just swap the original motor with a typical NEMA 17 motor is because of the spacing of the mounting holes. So this is around 32 mm, whereas the NEMA mounting holes are only 31 mm apart. If I take this off, one more thing also, sorry, the shaft is an eccentric type of shaft, meaning it is off the center as compared to a NEMA 17 shaft. And if I take this off, the casing of the gearbox after the motor, so it has its spare gearbox here, wherein if I take this off from the motor, this has a motor with an 11 tooth gear. I found out that what if I just adapt this gearbox instead to a NEMA 17. I have two NEMA 17s with a planetary gearbox, which I previously used from in my previous project. If I take off the planetary gearbox, it has its own pinion gear on its shaft, which can adapt to this gearbox. So from a center shaft, I am able to get an eccentric shaft, and then when I put it into the Vixen SXD, basically I have a stepper motor driven Vixen SXD. So the issue that I had to figure out is to adapt this gearbox to the NEMA 17 with the gear. So this is the solution that I came up with, a 3D printed ABS bracket adapter plate. I'll just have the STL file is available for download if ever you plan to have your Vixen motor upgraded. So it will just adapt here, and I can sorry. And I can adapt this to the Nemo 17. Here is the other motor that I was able to work on. Where's it? Sorry. Okay, it's already inside. But this would be the finished product after adapting the original gearbox to a stepper motor. I was able to put this inside the Vixen SXD, and it looks perfect. Using the original mounting holes, so no need for any machining on the original mount. And then I have a stepper motorized Vixen SXD that I can adapt now to on step. So I hope this can give you an idea if ever you don't have the Starbuck controller. I think this is also similar to the other Vixen Sphinx mount. I think the Vixen SXD2 already has a stepper motor in it, but still this can be a good option if you want to convert your Vixen SXD to on step. Now I have to figure out the gear ratio of the gearbox, since if I search it online, it is not the information is not available. I tried doing a rough estimate. It's around 400 to 1 gear reduction. Alright, that's all. Hopefully I was able to give you an idea how to convert your SXD from the old motor to a stepper motor. Thank you very much. Clear skies, everyone.